How to download Instagram photos. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. Once you check that, launch your Instagram application and make sure you have login to your account. Now, choose a photo that you want to download on your photos. Then, just above that photo you will see three dots. Simply tap on it. From here, if you see download button, then simply hit on that and download this photo. But if you don't see it, then you have to screenshot it. And later on you have to crop it, and then you will have this photo on your gallery. Simply hit on the down from the top left and select save to photos, and it will be saved to your photos. This is the only way to download Instagram photos on your gallery. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.